Hi, my name is Gabrielle Moss, and I graduated from Rock Hill High in 2013, and I just recently graduated from Clemson University with my bachelor's in psychology. Um, so when I was at Rock Hill High, I was actually a full IB student, and I talk about all the time how I feel like IB really prepared me for college, and I just kind of wanted to give some of the takeaways. The main one that I would say helped me the most in preparing for college was time management. So, IB course load is a lot to handle, and when I was still in high school, I was actually a competitive dancer. Usually I'd go to school and then go right to dance after that. So, I really had to work with getting all my work done in a timely manner so that I could still do all the things I wanted to do, but also to get my schoolwork done, and that was always the most important. So I definitely carried that over to me in college, and being able to tackle on that time management skill led me to be able to be involved in college, in Greek life and other volunteer organizations. And I wasn't as overwhelmed, I feel like, as some of my friends were who didn't take as an extensive course load in high school, compared to me, who was used to having a lot of homework to do and was used to having a lot of assignments and having to balance extracurricular activities with school. So that's probably the biggest one, because it is important to get involved in high school and especially in college. So being able to balance that with coursework also just makes you look better on a resume. Um, Another takeaway would definitely be the essay writing. And it was a struggle in high school having to write a bunch of essays and having to get things done on deadlines. But I really feel like my writing was prepared me to like take me to college class and be able to write, because I did well on most of my college papers, and I think I owe a lot of that to my IB teachers who really critiqued my writing well. And they didn't just give you that A because you wrote the paper, but they really graded you like a raw grade, and I feel like that was super helpful. It might have been frustrating at times, but I really think it developed me into a better writer for college, and to be able to write those college papers, because you do also write papers all the time in college. Um, and that was also like a big thing that helped me out. I think the other major thing is just like working with other people. So you're going to work with other people all the time, and especially in college, you're going to get these group projects, and in IB, you kind of learn to work with other people who you may have necessarily not have worked with before, and kind of just gives you that glimpse of how to work with others. And I would say, um, overall, like as I said, I talk about all the time how I think IB's helped me a lot. Um, in college, and I talk with other people I've kept in touch with since I graduated, and we all kind of say the same thing, that we probably would not be doing as well in college if it wasn't for the program. So kind of just remembering, like, if you're sticking through it and push through, because it is worth it and it does prepare you a lot for college, which is what you want to do in the end, is be successful. So just remember that if you're having a hard time, or if you're even trying to decide if you want to do IB classes, don't just worry about how much course credit you're going to get when you get to college. Just know that it's going to prepare you to be successful and do well when you get there.